dito. Galingan nyo Chelsea Manalo. Ibigay yung best nyo para manalo ay. Ibawi nyo si Chelsea Manalo. Okay, dito tayo. Dito yung grupo ng Chelsea Manalo. Dito na. Okay, dito na yung grupo ng Chelsea Manalo. Dito naman yung DIY. Straight ka ba? Team DTI dito po sila. Okay, para straight line. Okay, simple lang naman yung games. Hindi naman kayo mamapagod dito. Okay, ang games natin ay tatawagin nating mock basketball. Pamilya ba kayo sa mock basketball? Hindi. Okay, hindi daw. Okay. Sa games na to, meron kayong group. Okay, yung group is 1, meron kayong number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Patay-patay po kayo kasi 10 po kayo. Okay, simple lang naman ang games na to. Pag sinabi kong number 1, dribble ball, dribble ball. Okay, paano mo mag-dribble ball? Ate Princess, patura naman sila. Hindi po ganyan. Okay, dribble ball, pass to number 2. Okay, pag sinabi kong number 2, dribble ball, pass to number 3. Pag sinabi kong number 3, dribble ball, pass to number 4. Okay, pag sinabi yung number 5, dribble ball, pass to number 5, dribble ball, shoot the ball. Okay, pumunta mo si number 5 sa unahan para i-shoot ang ball. Okay, number 5, punta mo tayo sa unahan. Okay, i-shoot na, itatap lang yung balloons, hindi po siya puputukin, hindi rin pupukuhan. Hindi po ito putukan na. Ang back basketball pa ang tawag dito. Okay, sige, itatap lang yung balloons. Back to number 5 po tayo. Back po tayo sa ating line. Okay, practice tayo. Okay, sige, irarambol ko na yung games. Pag sinabi kong number 2, pass sa number 2. Pag sinabi kong number 2, 8-8, mag-8-8 kayo. Paano kayo mag-8-8? 8-8. Okay, magiginig kayo sa sasabihin ko at gagayahin nyo lang. Okay? Now, pag sinabi kong number 3, exhibition. Paano kayo mag-exhibition? Okay, exhibition lang. Okay, next. Pag sinabi ko, pag sinabi kong candy kayo. Okay? Ready na ba? Okay, rumble lang tatawagin ko ha. Okay, sample tayo. The game is basketball. Ready, Team Chelsea? Team DTI, are you ready? Okay. Number 1. Pass number 2, dribble ball, pass number 3, dribble ball, pass number 4, number 4, dribble ball, number 5, shoot the ball! Okay, shoot the ball! Okay, practice lang yun. Ganun po, mechanics ng C. Okay, sige, sample lang. Okay, eto na talaga. Okay, back to number 1 yung bola. Okay, number 1. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 2, dribble ball, pass number 1, dribble ball, pass number 3, number 3, dribble ball, pass number 4, number 4, dribble ball, pass number 1, number 1, and pass number 2, dribble ball, wala kasi sinabing tente. Ano ba yan? Talagang bilis na sila. Okay, wala kasi sinabing tente, huwag nyo naman patawag, games lang to. Okay, sige. Sabi ko 8-8, hindi candy. Mamaya pag sinabing candy, patawag mo. Okay, next. Okay. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 2, dribble ball, pass number 3, dribble ball, number 2, pass number 2, dribble ball, pass number 3, dribble ball, pass number 4, number 4, and 8-8, dribble ball, pass number 1, number 1, candy, pass number 5, number 5, and dribble ball, wala pa kasi kami shoot the ball. Sabi ko, dribble ball. Makikinig kayo sa sasabihin ko. Okay, next. Okay, sabihin ko lang ko, tatlo lang ang pipiliin ko mananalo. Ang hindi manalo, sasayaw ng ice cream yummy. Okay? Ay, anak ko naman. Okay. Number 1, dribble ball, pass number 2, dribble ball, pass number 1, number number one, dribble ball, pass number four. Number four, exhibition, pass number one, dribble ball, pass number two, dribble ball, pass number three, number three, number five, dribble ball, pass number five, number five, dribble ball, pass number two, number two, okay, pass number one, dribble ball, pass number two, number two, shoot the ball. Number one, dribble ball, pass number two, dribble ball, pass number five, and pass number two, dribble ball, pass number one, dribble ball, pass number three, dribble ball, pass number four, dribble ball, pass number three, and number three, pass number one, shoot the ball! Panalo lang PTI. Okay. Back to number one. Number one, dribble ball, pass number two, dribble ball, pass number three, dribble ball, pass number four, and number four, dribble ball, pass number one, dribble ball, pass number two, dribble ball, pass number one, number one, and number one, dribble ball, pass number two, dribble ball, pass number five, number five, dribble ball,